All right, it's Tuesday, February 11th. I'm buying some Home Depot at 4:15.25. This is here at the blue line, and this is a trade I really kind of like when a lot of things line up. First of all, you got the strong opening to start, a lot of pausing in here, which is good, holding the midpoint of that first bar, and then breaking out here finally on bar number 6. So I'm buying it here at the blue line for a continuation higher. I like the 2-up day yesterday, that green. You kind of expect it to, continue higher if it holds the midpoint of that bar, which it's doing. We have a target up here at the 418 area. We have lower lows here, and then as we work up, our anticipation is for higher highs. And what that does is if we can get to that level, that sets a 2-up week, which for the rest of the week potentially has a target up here in the upper 420s. So, you had the big push up here, 3 weeks of consolidation, and now we're very close to, if we get continuation on the 15-minute chart to the daily chart, then that triggers the weekly chart with targets above. So a lot of continuity higher, and we have a very nice pause here to start the session, so you didn't have exhaustion risk right out of the gates. That could have pulled back a little bit. If anything, it built up energy for the breakout. So I'm buying it here at this line. Again, our initial target is somewhere up here, to the 418 area today, or the midpoint of that, selling tail up here in the 416 area. And then we're just going to see if we get the continuation, a good directional move this morning. We're kind of projecting up in here overall today, and we'll just see if that leads to some of those bigger picture context, this target up here, which then sets the 2-up week to continue higher all week long after kind of a, weekly move up, 3-week pause, and ultimately, lower lows down here, we might be working all the way back up here to all-time highs in the 440 area. So anyway, buying it here at this blue line, smaller time frames kind of building their way towards the higher time frames.